What's up? Welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. I'm a little bit bored today, so I'm going to reinstall my stock mufflers on the 2014 GT Dudestang. Haven't heard them in like almost 6 years. Also going to be testing out the Rode Video Mic MEL directional microphone for the iPhone. So. I think I need a nap. So we tried to do this yesterday when we finished putting the exhaust on, but had some problems with the audio on my camera, so we're gonna do it again. So the car has the stock mufflers on, and we're gonna do a cold start. We're gonna go for a drive in the Dudestang around the block. No further than that because we're responsible citizens of the Commonwealth of Virginia. See how this stock exhaust sounds at a little cruise. The V8 rumble is no longer there. I feel like I'm reversing like a ninja. Like I'm sneaking up on somebody.
So you get, oh, birds. What is that?
I can hear the birds chirping. Wow. Oh, there's the sound I'm used to. My wife has failed once again to put her seatbelt on in a timely manner. Do you hear that? Neither do I. It's like driving a hybrid. It's like a Mustang Prius. Like nobody knows I'm coming. Whereas with the other exhausts, everybody knew we were coming. So that is the what we will refer to now as the hybrid Prius exhaust setup of the Dudestang. It was actually kind of nice to not have to like scream when I was talking to my wife, but we'll see. I don't know how long I can keep this on. I definitely need to get the Roushes cleaned up and then decide what I'm going to do. This kind of makes me wonder if I should consider like a GT500 type setup, but we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like my channel, this is your first time, please subscribe. Also, I'm on Instagram, Taco Potato Mustang. Peace out.